Patience. It's an important virtue that works well in all industries. Patience teachers produce better performing students. Similarity, patient therapists become successful than those who are not. The same is true about investors and traders. Too often, indeed, we enter a trade too early without having done a proper analysis, but be careful not to overdo it and miss the opportunity. Or we exit early with the fear of losing our profit. In short, we undermine our performance. How to improve your patience in trading. 1. Set a realistic expectation. Understand that trading is a long-term game and short-term losses are a normal part of the process. 2. Develop a trading plan. Having a plan in place can help you stay focused and avoid impulsive decisions. 3. Practice mindfulness. Take time to focus on your breath and stay present in the moment. This can help you stay calm and avoid getting up in emotions. 4. Avoid overtrading. Only take trades that have a high probability of success and avoid the temptation to constantly check your position. 5. Take breaks. Step away from the markets. If you start to feel overwhelmed or frustrated, it's important to give yourself time to clear your head and come back to the markets with a fresh perspective. 6. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the market, trends, and strategies that can help you to improve your patience in trading. 7. Be flexible. Be ready to adapt to changing market conditions and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. 8. Don't chase losers. It's important to accept that losses are part of the trading and don't try to make up for them by taking on more risk. 9. Have a perspective. Trading is one aspect of life. Don't put too much emphasis on it and have a balanced perspective. Patience to entry and exit. Traders and investors demonstrate the virtue of patience in a number of ways. First is a concept known as patience to enter. There is where a trader does analysis on an asset and identifies a possible sign or catalyst. Patience comes in because they need to wait for that signal to happen. For example, assume that your signal is when the 25-day and the 50-day moving averages make a crossover. After doing your analysis, you find the two averages are about to cross over. In this case, since your rule is to only open a trade when a crossover happens, you need to be patient about it. Patient to entry also seen in other ways. For example, at times it will take you some time to open a trade because of the volatility in the market. Therefore, in this case, patience is an important aspect because opening trades in a hurry could lead to significant mistakes. Evaluate your exit point. Patient to exit is an equally important concept. It simply means that you should be patient before you exit your trade. There are several dimensions in all this. For example, at times you will open a trade and then it moves sideways for a while. During this time, your trade will not be making any money. Therefore, you should be tempted to exit the trade and find opportunities elsewhere. Another example is where you have an open trade which has become more moderately profitable. Instead of waiting for the profits to add up, you get impatient and exit the trade. While you have made a profit, you have not maximized your profitability. Last but not least, if you are using copy trading approach, patient to exit can cost you substantial. This is where you decide to end a loss-making trade without knowing the reasons why the master trader initiated it. Why patience is important. As you'll find out, patience is an important concept in the market for several reasons. First, it will help you to avoid the concept of fear of missing out, FOMO. FOMO happens when you buy an asset because it is rising or shorting because it is falling. When you are patient, there is likelihood you will avoid this situation. Second, it will help you avoid over trading in the market. Over trading is one of the reasons why many traders lose a lot of money. Therefore, when you are patient, there's likelihood you will avoid making this mistake. Third, patience allows you to grow your profits slowly over a long time. When you are impatient, you will also find yourself opening large trades and using excessive leverage in a bid to become more profitable faster. As you will find out, this is a risky thing to do. Patience is also one of the skills we highlighted as vital for new traders. Bottom line, patience is an important virtue that all traders have learned to use over the years. We have explained what patience is and identified some key concepts of ensuring that you are a patient trader. As you may have guessed, it takes discipline to be able to remain patient during our daily trading activities. But this is a primary importance to avoid big losses, especially we also get caught up in our emotions. What is your relationship with patience? Are you a Zen trader or you have difficulty cultivating it? You know the catchphrase. Study it, analyze it, adapt it. Peace.